Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Corner with Mari sir. Today we are going to learn 2.1 from 8th standard Try Again, written by William Edward Hickson. Introduction of the poem. The title of the poem is Try Again. It is written by William Edward Hickson. Through this poem, poet gives a lesson to all of us, that is try again. It is a very optimistic poem. This poem divided into 3 stanzas. Each stanza contains 8 lines. The rhyme scheme of the poem is A B A B C C C A. Before learning this poem, please enjoy this motivational prayer.
आती है आने तो कर उनका खैर मकदम तूफान से ही तो लड़ने खुदा ने तुझे गढ़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता, अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता, दुर्गम को पार करके हिमालय कोई चढ़ा है। लाएगी रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन, लाएगी रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन, होगा विशाल तरवर वो बीज जो पड़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है।
I think you will have got idea about the poem Try Again. Now let's read the first stanza. Is a lesson you should heed. Try again. At first you don't succeed. Try again. Then your courage should appear. For if you will persevere, you will conquer. Never fear. Try again. Explanation. In this poem, the poet said that if at first you don't succeed, do not lose hope, but try again. Sometimes we can't accomplish our goal, and sometimes it's even harder to reach that goal. If a person tries hard, he will surely reach his goal. But if he gives up once, then he will give up all the time throughout his life. Let's read the second stanza. Once or twice, though you should fail, try again. If you would at last prevail, try again. If we strive, 'tis no disgrace. Though we do not win the race, what should we do in that case? Try again. Explanation of the second stanza. The British poet William Edward Hickson said that the great people don't become great easily. It requires a lot of time and patience. We can also become a great if we don't lose hope after our failure. Failure doesn't matter. The thing that matters is the amount of work that we put in. So we should not become scared of the failure. Let's read last stanza. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. All that other folk can do. Why? With the patience, may not you. Only keep this rule in view. Try again. Explanation. In the last stanza, the speaker admits that when we try again, we may fail once or twice. However, if we keep on trying, we will succeed. If we don't win a race, we should not give up trying again. Moreover, if we find our task difficult to accomplish, we should not lose heart. The time will bring us our fruit of labor. We can also do what other people can do, but it needs patience. In short, this poem gives us a big lesson. It gives us message of hope, courage, hard work and perseverance. We should always keep this message in mind to be crowned with victory in our lives. जीवनात प्रत्येक गोष्टीत यशस्वी होण्यासाठी सतत प्रयत्न करत राहा. जर पहिल्या प्रयत्नात तुम्ही अपयशी ठरलात तर पुन्हा प्रयत्न करा. तुमची धडपड तुम्हाला नवी प्रेरणा देईल. जर तुम्ही ते धाडस तुमच्यात जतन केले तर घाबरू नका, तुम्ही नक्की जिंकाल. त्यासाठी तुम्ही अविरत प्रयत्न करत राहा. एकदा दोनदा तुम्ही अपयशी ठरलात तर थांबू नका, तुम्ही पुन्हा प्रयत्न करा. जरी तुमच्या प्रयत्नाला यश मिळाले तरी तुमचे प्रयत्न सुरूच ठेवा. जर तुमचे प्रयत्न तुम्हाला कमीपणाचे वाटले नाहीत आणि तुम्ही तुमची शर्यत जिंकला नाही तरीही तुम्ही खचून न जाता पुन्हा प्रयत्न करा. जर तुम्हाला तुमचे काम अवघड वाटत असेल तर तुम्ही पुन्हा प्रयत्न करत राहा. वेळ तुम्हाला तुमचे बक्षीस मिळवून देईल. म्हणून तुम्ही पुन्हा पुन्हा सतत प्रयत्न करत राहा. इतर लोकसुद्धा हेच करत असतात, तेव्हा तुम्ही का ठेवू शकत नाही संयम? म्हणून एकच गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवा, तुम्ही पुन्हा पुन्हा सतत प्रयत्नशील राहा.